How to hide camera roll video in Snapchat. So go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. Once it's opened up, tap the photos icon on the left side of the screen. This will take you to the camera roll. This has all the photos that you have on your phone, but you have the option to hide these on Snapchat. To do that, go to My Eyes Only. Here, you need to set up a pin first. After setting that up, you can go back to the camera roll and choose to hide the photos that you want to be hidden. To select multiple photos to hide, tap on the checked icon here on the top right. Select every photo that you want to hide, then hit the hide button on the bottom part of the screen. A pop-up window will appear that will ask you if you want to move these photos to My Eyes Only, so just tap on Move. Your camera roll video in Snapchat should be hidden. So that is how to hide camera roll video in Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.